Hello guys, Sim from runbitcoinnode.com. So here we are with Bitcoin full node running on Umbrel OS. It's running already 22 hours and 35% is synced, so I'm kind of thinking that this time it should fully sync 560 gigabytes in 3 days or less. Last time was 6 days when I tried, because I didn't change the cache size setting here. It was, the default is 450 megabytes, now it's 4500 megabytes, and because I'm running Bitcoin node on Odroid M1 8 gigabyte RAM, that it's perfect alternative for Raspberry Pi 4. I can do it easily. If I show you settings, I have the new version of the Umbrel OS, and almost all RAM is used. So you can see from here, I have almost all the main Bitcoin apps installed, but I haven't set up anything yet. So I keep you updated how long it will take total, and I'm curious also. And then I have 2 terabyte of NVMe SSD also, because it will take like 700 together with the apps, the blockchain, so I have only 300 left. So for future profit I have already 2 terabyte, and it's only 40 euros more, 65 vs 105 euros or dollars. You can find it in Amazon. I use Samsung 970 EVO Plus. Yeah, and that's it. What else? So basically 4 gigabyte Raspberry Pi is not recommended. If you find 8 gigabyte, it's much better, but you know, it's should be less than 100 euro or around 100 euro dollars, but it's can be also 200 now. So Odroid is actually faster and cheaper option. And you can see my other videos about Odroid. If you have some questions, let them downstairs in the comments, and see you in next video. Bye bye.